Hey guys, so there are three kids in my house. The biggest one is me. I have two daughters, and the biggest kid in this house is me actually. So I went and I bought the biggest RC helicopter, toy helicopter I was able to find in my local market, and I just received it today. And this model number is HX-755 VMAX, and you can see the scale like here, how big it is from here to here. And it has motorized tail fin, which means that it can not only fly forward or left or right, it can also fly reverse as well, which is really cool, I think. And overall, I think you can see how big it is. I have never flown a helicopter this big. So let's unbox it and let's find out how it looks, how it feels to actually fly it. In the left, we have a charger, typical toy charger. Then we have the remote to control the throttle and to go left, right, forward, reverse. And then we have the antenna that will go in here. Yes, like this. And what else do we have? Nothing else. So let's bring out the helicopter. This is our helicopter, and could you look at its scale? It's ginormous as compared to what I have flown before, like teeny tiny ones. So this is really solid feel, like this is all metal, the shiny silver like texture. This is also metal. These black areas are plastic. This one is actually, I think, metal. Yeah, this one is metal. And on the bottom you have this one is connected with each other. Once you have to charge it, you have to disconnect this cable and plug in it with this charger, then it will start charging. We have the on button here, and if we come to its features, let me bring out its boxing. So it have a built-in gyroscope for leveling. It supports 3D forward, backward, ascent, descent, turn left, turn right through the and it has big wings, so it can obviously fly in a even a windy environment as well. Not, I mean, too windy, but it can handle some wind. Other than that, it comes in yellow and red. This one is yellow. It is a 3.5 channel radio controlled helicopter, and they say that it is for ages 14 plus. Other than that, again, its model number is HX-755. HX-755 VMAX. So remember that if you are interested in buying it. That's it, I think. Pretty standard features. It's just that it's big and it supports forward and reverse flight. And if we come to its remote, on the back you have a space for 4 AA batteries that we will install here. Let me actually install them. All right, we have this antenna that you can pull out to increase the range, but I think we are very close to it, so it's fine. Okay, I don't know what, let me turn it on. Let's turn it on from here and turn it on from here as well. You see the star light has started blinking, green light, and it is on as well from this light. There is one light at front. Let me give it quick. Oh, the feel, the pressure of the air. I have never felt it because based on the helicopters I have flown before. So let's give it a gentle push. And it will not fly. I mean, you control the throttle from here, like this. Give it a gentle push. say. I'm not flying it here because there are a lot of lights here, and the room is very crowded, so I will probably break it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take it out and we are going to fly it there. So let's come out. Hello. This is our, what's the model number? HX-755 VMAX helicopter. Ginormous as compared to what I have flown before, and very sturdy construction, made of mostly metal, some plastic, but even the plastic being used in this one is very premium and amazing. I have really enjoyed it. I think it's definitely worth its price based on how it looks. It costed me around $100, and the price may vary depending on where you find, but I will find and leave some links in my video description for anyone interested in buying it. And let me know what you think of it, and if you have flown something bigger than this one. And please do share your feedback. Take great care of yourself. Bye.